So today I am using this black hair dye shampoo. It's designed to cover grays while also working as a shampoo and conditioner in one. Honestly, I love that it's so much simpler than traditional hair dyes. You just use it like a regular shampoo, apply it evenly, massage it into your hair and let it sit down for a few minutes. No mixing, no mess, and it doesn't drip everywhere like boxed hair dye. What makes this different is the herbal formula. It has argan nut which repair and strengthen your hair, and camellia extract that nourishes stands and helps the color stay rich and shiny. It is also ammonia free, so it doesn't have the harsh chemical smell. After rinsing, my hair feels soft, smooth and condensed, not dry or brittle. The coverage is even and it blends so naturally with my hair. The best part, the color actually lasts up to 3 weeks, so you don't have to keep reapplying every few days. Plus, it works for all hair types, straight, curly, or even colored hair. And you can even use it on your beard. If you want an easy at home way to say goodbye to grays without damaging your hair, this black hair dye shampoo is definitely worth trying. It saves time, keeps your hair healthy, and gives such a natural finish. Yes, I highly recommend it. And as you can see, it covers all my grays.